Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Let me ask a few questions whether you understood in the first session or not. Manaswini, what is antler?
Morning. Yes, ma'am.
What are antlers?
Good morning, ma'am.
Mokshit, antlers.
The horns that are
Hmm,
same like branches.
very good. Varshika,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the central character name in our story? What is our lesson name, first of all?
1 minute, ma'am. The story of
Yeah, the story of. So what is the central character name? Our reindeer name is Rudolph. Yes.
Good all.
Okay. Jesli. Jesli. Which place all these reindeer, Santa, elves, where all they do live? In which land?
Thailand.
Excellent. Rutvika. How is Rudolph different from other reindeers? Karthik.
Yes, ma'am.
How is Rudolph different from other reindeers?
Ma'am, I completed notes, ma'am.
Jasmita. How is Rudolph different from other reindeers? Harshika. Harshini.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon. Harshini,
Good afternoon,
how
ma'am.
is Rudolph different
Good
from other
afternoon.
reindeers?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Harshini, I can't hear.
He was so small and he got red and big nose.
Yes, his antlers were small and he has got bright red nose. Okay, Anvi, who are elves? E-L-V-E-S.
Finish
Who are-
our video, ma'am.
I know, I'm just asking question. We'll continue with the video. Anvi,
Ma'am,
who are elves? E-L-V-E-S.
The 2 years away.
No, they are not deers. Harini, can you say who are elves? Pranavi, can you say? Yeah, who are elves?
Elf means Christmas, Santa servants.
Very good.
Santa
Santa's
servants.
assistants. Okay, we cannot say servants. We can say assistants. Okay, they and Sharanya, how do elves look like? Do they look like normal people?
What, ma'am?
How does elves look like? I've shown you in the video.
Ma'am, they look like.
They have very sharp pointed
Horse, ma'am.
ears and they look very short. Okay. What did elves put on the gate of the toyland? Santosh Ram, what did they put? Santoshram, unmute.
I'm now.
What did they put? They sticked something. What is it?
They stick to they are choosing the which is the best reindeer.
Very good. They are selecting the team members. Rupeksha, at what time all the reindeers were asked to assemble? What time? Kaushik, what time they are asked to assemble?
What, ma'am?
What time everybody is?
I can tell. When did you say I can tell?
Yeah, just
8 o'clock, ma'am.
yeah, 8 o'clock, 8 p.m.
Window. Not
Okay,
8 p.m. 8 a.m.
Vishnu Satvika.
Yes, ma'am.
Why and who is selecting the team members first of all? Vishnu Satvika, who is selecting the team members?
Team number.
Yeah, all the best reindeers. Who is selecting finally?
Santa.
Santa. Vijnana. Vijnana,
Yes.
what he
She said the answer, ma'am.
Okay, Vijnana. Why he is selecting the team members? What is the purpose?
Because
Hmm.
Santa got a vehicle.
What is the name of the vehicle, Anish Reddy? What is the name of the specific vehicle which Santa uses during the Christmas festival time? Anish Reddy,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the name of that vehicle? Jason, what is the name of that vehicle? One particular word is there.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that name?
That
Aishwarya, can you say?
yes.
Yeah. What is that name? Sleigh.
What is the
Sleigh. Sleigh. That is the name of the particular vehicle, which is how the sleigh runs. Who pulls the sleigh?
in the snow? 5 years.
Yes, it is pulled by the reindeers. And Ritvika, are you there? Vedesh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. He has been selecting the best reindeers. He selected many reindeers. What are those? Can you tell me some names? Prancer.
Reindeers.
Yes, he is selecting the best reindeers. That is, one reindeer may be fastest and one reindeer may be strongest. Okay, so each specific reindeer has one quality.
Dasher.
Huh?
Dasher also, ma'am.
Dasher also. So each specific reindeer has one particular quality. So he is selecting the best reindeers. Now, why was, who will I say answer? Navneet, are you there? Kushal, are you there?
I'm Navneet, ma'am. I'm there.
Yeah, Navneet, why do you think so? Rudolph was not coming forward. He was hiding somewhere. Why do you think so? Do you know the answer?
Ma'am, can I tell
See, Navneet will say, wait, all others please don't talk, man. I'm calling somebody, only that person should say.
Because Rudolph is shy,
Yeah,
ma'am. Somebody is scribble on the screen, ma'am.
I know that. So Rudolph was very shy, so he was not coming forward and he was hiding somewhere. Nihan, are you listening to me? Nihan,
Yes, ma'am.
are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please concentrate. Yeah, so shall we continue with the video? So far
Yes.
you have understood, right? No doubts. No doubts till now.
Yes, ma'am. We are at the last class.
Yeah. No doubts till now, isn't it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
1 second, give me time.
Ma'am, we can't see the video, ma'am.
I haven't started playing.
Rudolph lived in Toyland on the North Pole.
Yeah, what is North Pole? In North Pole, how will be the climate? Okay, I will pick up the name. Everybody, please don't shout. Only I will call somebody, that person should say. Okay? Please don't make noise.
Okay, ma'am.
He was younger and smaller than the other reindeer there. They all had proud, tall antlers. Rudolph's antlers were very tiny.
Okay, Vedesh, what is the meaning of tiny? Vedesh, only Vedesh will answer. Switch on the videos first.
Yes, ma'am.
Aishwarya, Navneet, Rupeksha, Chansika, Harshit, Ayashri, Hemanya. Why your videos are off? Okay, Vedesh, tell me, what is the meaning of tiny?
Ma'am, I saw. Very small.
Very small.
Tiny. Worst of all, Rudolph had a nose that was big and bright red. It was so red.
Okay, Chansika, what do you mean by glow? Chansika. Okay, Ayashri, what do you mean by glowing or glowed?
Yes, ma'am.
Glow means what?
Shine.
Very.
Shine.
Glowed in the dark. Poor Rudolph.
Means
He wanted to be like the other reindeer in Toyland. The other reindeer made fun of Rudolph and called him names.
Okay, Aishwarya, why did other reindeer made fun of Rudolph?
because he was small and worst of all, he had a big, bright red nose.
Yeah, and his antlers were very small.
Tiny.
Yes.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Harshit Sai, what do you mean by teasing somebody? Teased.
The bad.
Making fun of, not bad. Making fun of others.
They teased. Before Christmas Eve, Santa's elves posted a sign on the
Yeah, these are elves. Whoever didn't understand who are elves, these are the tiny creatures. They look different and they look unique and they have sharp pointed ears. Look at the shoes they wore. You see the footwear? That is also something different, isn't it? And these people help Santa. Okay, they do all the works which they help Santa.
gate to Toyland. All the reindeer were asked to line up at 8 o'clock in the meadow.
Yeah, meadow means nothing but open green land, green field. I have shown you in the Google, right?
Santa Claus was coming to choose the team.
Yeah. Suryakshaj, who is coming to select the team?
Santa.
Akshaj, who is selecting the team?
That would deliver presents to every good little boy and girl.
Okay. Hemanya Sai, why they are selecting these team members? What is their purpose? What do they wanted to do? Why Santa is selecting team members?
Ma'am, can you tell once again, ma'am?
What?
Can sir? Can
Some audio problem, Hemanya.
Can you send it in the WhatsApp?
Okay, who will tell? Jason, you didn't get chance, right? Jason. So,
ma'am.
why was he selecting the team members? What is their duty? What do they do on the Christmas Eve?
Give
Presents
give the presents, ma'am.
to whom?
Girl and boy.
Yeah, small little children, they go and give the presents to boy and girl. Okay. Harini, Yuva Santosh Reddy, where are you? How do they go? What vehicle they use?
Slide.
Yuva Santosh. What vehicle they use to deliver presents? Sleigh.
Slide.
Sleigh.
In the world. The reindeer danced with joy when they heard the news.
Okay, Gaganram, why the reindeers were extremely happy? Why did they dance with joy?
What, ma'am?
Why reindeers were extremely happy? Why did they dance with joy?
Ma'am, Dasher was the big reindeer.
Yeah, dancer.
Ma'am,
Dancer
Dasher
is the
is
biggest reindeer.
big.
Dancer is the strongest. Shivarnika, can you tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Why were reindeers super excited?
Santa.
Pranavi, can you say? Or Kaushik?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is the answer? Trivikram, can you say?
Santa. Me, ma'am.
Ah,
But I was joined now only.
okay.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am, answer.
Tell me.
The Santa was coming to select the reindeers.
That's why they were super excited.
Each reindeer hoped he would be chosen to guide Santa's sleigh. Rudolph sighed. He did not want Santa to see his bright red nose. At 8 o'clock, when all the reindeer had gone to the meadow, Rudolph hid behind a holly hedge. Behind the thick bush with bright red berries, no one could find Rudolph with his bright red nose. In the meadow, all the reindeer in Toyland, except Rudolph, stood in line while Santa inspected them.
Yeah, what is meant by inspected, Rutvika? Vedesh, mute. Rutvika, Santa came and inspected them. What do you mean by inspecting? He's just observing, watching them and selecting, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Santa chose carefully.
He just selected.
Only the fastest, the strongest, and the best reindeer would do. Dasher is
Yeah, please remember the names. Dasher is the biggest reindeer.
the biggest reindeer, said Santa. Dasher, wrote his elf assistant in a big book. And Dancer
is the strongest.
is the strongest, said Santa, pulling his beard. Dancer.
What is beard?
Dancer.
Harshini, what is beard?
Ma'am?
What is meant by beard? Santa was pulling his beard and selecting. What do you mean by that? Nobody knows what is beard?
Ma'am, I know, ma'am.
Huh?
Reindeer.
Not reindeer, beard. 1 second, I'll show.
Ma'am, it's a list, ma'am.
No. This is beard. Men will have beard if they grow that hair. Did you understand? Alpha Santa, can you see the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Santa will have a long
Ma'am.
white
Yes,
beard.
we can see the picture. No, ma'am. No, ma'am, we cannot see, ma'am.
See, Santa will have long white
We
beard.
can only see
This is beard.
because he is old.
Yeah. Now you understood what is beard? B-E-A-R-D. Did you all understand?
Because I told the answer. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now we can see the video.
Wrote the elf. Ho, ho! Let's see, continued Santa. Prancer and Vixen make the smoothest landing.
Yeah, as I told you, they have to take the sleigh and land.
We cannot see.
On rooftops. Comet, the biggest reindeer, said Santa. Dasher, wrote his elf
This is
assistant
beard.
in a big book. And Dancer is the strongest, said Santa, pulling his beard. Dancer, wrote the elf. Ho, ho! Let's see, continued Santa. Prancer and Vixen make the smoothest landings on rooftops.
See, I already told you, right? See, they have to make landings on the terrace or rooftops. So these Prancer and Vixen make smooth landings. What do you mean by smooth landings? Slowly they will, suppose this is the terrace. Slowly they will land with
Have one doubt.
I can't see, ma'am.
with this level.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yeah.
How the Santa Claus knows the Praxon and Vixen land smoothly?
Because he must be using them since many years. Those reindeers must be working with him. Or somebody might have told them that they do like this. They run the sleigh very nicely. They make smooth landings. See, if a flight has to land, will it just come and jump like this? Or smoothly it will land?
Smoothly.
Otherwise, it is very difficult. Yeah, very difficult.
It will, if they come slowly and they will dash,
Answer.
the flight will be crashing.
Maintain silence. Maintain silence. So Prancer and Vixen make smooth landings, and Cooper is sure-footed. That means if they keep the foot on the ground, he keeps it very surely. He doesn't shake.
And Cupid is the most sure-footed. I pick them. And, said Santa, I choose Donder and Blitzen. They're best at turning over treetops.
Yeah, treetops. So when they are traveling, there must be big trees, huge trees. So they should turn around the trees and go. Isn't it?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
And landing smoothly. When all the selections were done, the reindeer danced and clinked their antlers together in happiness. Even the reindeer who weren't chosen were given good jobs. One was to try out
Yeah, the reindeers who are not selected for pulling the sleigh, they are given different jobs. One job is pulling the electric trains. Toy electric trains, not real ones.
electric trains. Another was to hug Christmas kittens.
So another work is they keep hugging the small kittens, Christmas kittens.
The only reindeer without a job was Rudolph. He wanted to help, but he knew others would laugh at him. So he stayed behind the holly hedge.
Yeah, holly hedge is nothing but the row of bushes with bright red cherries. Yeah, I'll just show the pictures. Some of the pictures I collected. Wait.
Ma'am, when Santa was writing in the list, ma'am, we stopped there.
Can you see the
meeting was
picture?
ended. No, ma'am,
Yeah, see, else this. All of you please see. Elves, small creatures in stories with pointed ears. These are the examples of elves. See here, all of you. Glow means shine. Teased means made fun of. Meadow is a piece of grassland. Team means you know, a group of people. Sleigh is a vehicle that slides over the.
I cannot see anything, ma'am.
Nobody can see.
Ma'am. Ma'am, I can see.
We can see.
See.
See this. All of you see this.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, all of you see
Ma'am,
this.
I can see now, ma'am.
Okay, remain silent, ma. If you can see, remain silent and see. Okay, slide means, side means, see, Rudolph sighed, right? He breathed out of relief. If something happens, you do like this, isn't it? Amma, like that you do, right? That is side. Now this is the sleigh, a vehicle that slides over the snow. Santa sits here and he keeps all the gifts around this or under the sleigh, and reindeers will be pulling the sleigh. Santosh Ram, see how sleigh looks like. Keep the thing, whatever is there in your hand.
Ma'am, I cannot see that screen is very dark.
Why? And this is the holy hedge. See the sleeves. These leaves have pointed edges and these are bright red cherries. This is the holy hedge bush. And this is what mist or fog looks like. See, can you see this picture? Mist or fog.
Yes, ma'am, we can see.
And this is the old lantern which we used when there was no power. Do you know that few hundred years ago there was no electricity? Do you know that?
Ma'am, I can not see the picture, ma'am. Can you scroll up?
No, I'm asking about lantern. Have you ever seen this picture? Lantern?
I see once, ma'am.
Listen, even now in the villages when
No, ma'am, I did not saw.
I use it, ma'am, in my village, ma'am.
yes, in the villages when they go to nearby fields during the night time, they carry this. Okay, this down part will have some kerosene and they light this. Okay, and even when there was no power, see now we have electricity, lights, current, fan, ACs, internet connection, PCs, everything. But many long years ago, there was no electricity power at all. Do you know that? Then people use this lantern. Once it was 6 o'clock when the sun sets, people use this lanterns and they kept inside their houses. Did you understand?
Ma'am, we can put a candle inside the tent.
Candle also we can keep.
Ma'am, I use it one time in my village, ma'am.
Yes.
At last, it was Christmas Eve. Santa's elves were busy packing
We cannot see, ma'am. We can see the pictures.
the sleigh. I don't care if they make fun of me, said Rudolph suddenly.
can see, ma'am.
I want to help too. He dashed from his hiding place and went to find Santa. The night was bitter cold and a terrible fog covered the earth. Santa's elves kept bumping into each other as
So bumping into each other means they started hitting against each other. Why?
I can't see in the dark.
It is very dark. It was snowing.
Ma'am, there is fog. That's why
Because of
they
the,
cannot see.
yeah,
That's
because
why
of the, listen to me, because of the white fog, they were not able to see each other. That's the reason they kept bumping on each other.
Ma'am, how can Rudolph see?
Because of the brightness of his red nose, it was glowing and it was showing the path. It was like light, lantern. That's the reason I explained. Did you see lantern? Aishwarya,
Yes, ma'am.
Anish, Anish, Anvi,
Present, ma'am.
Chansika,
Present, ma'am.
Devansh, Gagan Ram, Rini,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Harshini,
Then, ma'am.
Harshit.
Present, ma'am.
Gagan Ram, I gave you. Ayeshri,
Present, ma'am.
Hemanya,
Present, ma'am.
Yasmita,
Present, ma'am.
Jesli,
Present, ma'am.
Karthik,
Present.
Kushal,
Present, ma'am.
Kaushik,
Present, ma'am.
Anaswini,
Present, ma'am.
Mokshit,
Present, ma'am.
Present,
Nihan,
ma'am. Mokshit, present, ma'am.
Nihan,
Ma'am,
Present,
Mokshit,
ma'am.
present.
Jason,
Present, ma'am.
Pranavi,
Present, ma'am.
Surya,
Present, ma'am.
Rushita, Ritvika,
Present, ma'am.
Akshaj, Santosh Ram,
Present,
Taranya,
Present, ma'am.
Trivarnika,
Present, ma'am.
Priyansh,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Varshika, Vedesh,
Vashka, present, ma'am.
Vignana,
Present, ma'am.
Vishnu
Present, ma'am.
Satvika,
Present, ma'am.
Yagnesh,
Ma'am, Vashka, present, ma'am.
Ma'am, my name is Agnes, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Agnes, ma'am.
Rosantosh,
Ma'am, my name is Agnes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Present, ma'am.
Vashka, ma'am, I present, ma'am.
Navani,
My name is Agnes, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Agnes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Yagnesh, how many times will you tell Yagnesh?
Ma'am, I am Vashka, ma'am. I am present, ma'am.
Yeah.
As they hitched up the
Button,
boom,
camera.
they could hardly see as they put on each bright red harness
Ma'am.
and
Ma'am.
Will you stop thinking about attendance and concentrate on the class?
Ma'am, you did not ask me attendance, ma'am.
Who is it?
Siddhartha, ma'am, you did not ask me.
Siddhartha, you were absent during the morning class, isn't it?
No, I attended, ma'am.
All the classes did you attend? I gave absent in all the classes.
Ma'am, I attended, ma'am.
Then why didn't you respond?
tied each jingle bell. And where is my Christmas list? I can't see a
And
single
the
form,
did you get
cried
presents in
Santa.
my-
Just then,
So when Santa was wanted to see the list which is made by the elves, he couldn't find the list. Then just then reindeer walked slowly with the soft red glow which lit up the snow. What do you mean by lit up?
Means the snow is not there.
No, there is a, you know, small diyas which you use during Diwali. Small diyas.
Yes, ma'am.
In that we put
Yes,
oil.
ma'am.
We put oil
Yes, ma'am.
and we put something
Yes, ma'am.
white cotton thing and we
And
match the stick and lit up.
drawing on the screen, ma'am.
Huh?
And I know, ma'am. Ritisura Trivikram is drawing on the screen, ma'am.
There are dots only, ma'am.
Okay, so lighting up means just if we use the matchstick and lit up one diya or lit up something. Okay, so just like how the red nose lit up the entire place, it glowed into the entire place, and Santa could easily see his list.
a soft red glow lit up the snow.
At
Thank
Monday, we are
goodness,
going to do
said
the
Santa.
exercise
Suddenly-
parts.
Trivarnika, please mute. Fast, listen to the lesson. Why are you talking about Monday?
Jolly again. I found my list. Ho ho! Who brought this fine lantern?
The lantern I just showed in the picture, right? He thought somebody was carrying the lantern and bought near the snow. But actually what happened? Reindeer walked in. Rudolph walked in.
Asked Santa. I must take it with me. It's not a lantern. said Rudolph shyly. The light comes from my.
So Santa was thinking it is always snowy. Let me carry this lantern wherever I go. But when Rudolph says it is not lantern, so Santa, it is the light coming from my bright red nose.
Nose. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, said Santa. I'm glad to see you.
So he's extremely happy that in this snowy place with the white mist, nothing can be visible. It is not visible. So if you take Rudolph with them, don't you think so their path will be clear? I mean, don't you think so they can see it more clearly?
Yes, ma'am. They can see more clearly
Clearly,
with
and
the
slide,
Rudolph nose.
yeah, with the Rudolph's nose, the vehicle can move clearly without any disturbances.
Your light will guide my sleigh.
Yeah, what do you mean by guiding? Suppose you go to a new place, you don't know where to go. So you will go and ask somebody, right, on the road, somebody is working, sir, how to go to this place? Then he will give the directions, isn't it? You go left, take right and all that. That is called as guiding. Okay, guiding means telling the correct path or correct way. So if Rudolph is in the beginning of the sleigh as the first reindeer, don't you think so it will guide the vehicle? It will show the correct way? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshaj, keep that bottle behind. Keep that bottle.
ma'am.
Akshaj, just now what did I ask? Why do you think so Rudolph should sit in the front of the reindeer sleigh? Why? Shriyansh, can you explain? Jesli, can you explain why do you think so if Rudolph sits in the front, it is best thing to do?
Ma'am,
His light was
he
his nose was bright.
what, ma'am?
You didn't understand the question?
Ma'am, can I drink water?
Yeah. Karthik, can you explain?
I see stuck
Ma'am,
in my...
I know the answer, ma'am.
Mokshit say.
Because if the bright nose will guide the sky tonight.
Why?
Because of the fog.
Because of the
Fog.
fog.
Because of the light.
Tonight, I appoint you head of my team.
So see this bright red nose. Now it's become an advantage for him. Santa is saying, you are the reindeer which will guide my sleigh. So you are the team member. You are the head.
What is head of my team?
Yeah, head of the team. That means he is the head of that entire team. Suppose there are 10 team members. So one person will be a head of the team. So now our Rudolph is the head of the team. Like monitor.
Rudolph held his head high.
So he felt so proud. He kept his head high and he was feeling extremely proud that he is the person who is guiding the sleigh. And he walked in front of the entire team. What is the team? What does the team consist of? How many? Who are there in the team?
Dasher,
Dancer,
Sun,
Dasher.
Proudly, he walked to the front of the team. All the other reindeer bowed.
See, when Rudolph was walking in front of them, holding his head high, all the reindeers bowed their heads. Why do you think so they bowed their heads? Because he is the head of the team, isn't it? Rudolph, though it is small, he became the head of the team. So everybody bowed their heads.
Donder
Bowed means bending the head out of respect.
and Dancer helped Rudolph put on his harness. Then down, down, through the clouds and over the sleeping
houses. See, Santa comes after we sleep. Do you know that? Isn't it? Santa comes after everybody sleeps around midnight.